Oh my gosh, I just got back from Family Dollar. I have a little haul here and just showing you some fun things I picked up at Family Dollar. Some things that they've run out at the Dollar Tree, I was able to find at Family Dollar. So don't forget Family Dollar and stay tuned for this video of fun. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have a Family Dollar haul. Don't forget about Family Dollar, whether you are paper crafting or home decor, party, holiday crafting. Yeah, don't forget them. I was really excited to find these stickers. They say Crafter Square, so they are awesome. Let me show you. You may be finding them at Dollar Tree. I don't get to go to Dollar Tree that often, but there are Family Dollars popping up all over the place. So I wanted to make sure that you got a chance to see these. If you have the digital kit, the new one, Tea and Roses, I think these are going to be beautiful with that. And I cannot wait to play with those this week. And then okay, so if you are a Dollar Tree decor fan and you have not been able to find this with the 3 hearts or the love with the 3 hearts, they have them at Family Dollar, and mine had probably 30 of them. So it had lots of them. And so that would give you another place to go and find the things that you would, I mean, it's the exact same one that was at Dollar Tree. And then this one, I know the last time I was at Dollar Tree, they only had one of these at my Dollar Tree, but they had these at Family Dollar. So there you go. It's really cool because you get 5 hearts, and you can go ahead and use them as they are. I think they're great to be able to just take them apart and put them onto your decor pieces. The other one I was really excited to find was this. I have a project that I have coming up where you actually use just this, and then you can also still have the love. So that is pretty exciting. They had this set of battery operated lights. I got the smaller hearts. These are the bigger ones. And when I push the little thing to check, the whole heart lights up, not just the center. So that was really, I mean, the way that it's made, apparently the glow is the whole heart, not just a dot in the center. You do still see just the light dot in the center, but the heart glows, which I thought was really cool. The last little thing I got was this family coaster set with tray, and it was $5, but I think it's really, really cute. And you get 4 coasters. This one says, "Let's stay home, choose happy, enjoy today. This is our happy place." And they are wood with cork on the other side. And they're awesome. I just think they're going to be really, really fun to use. And then you also get the box. So you can use the box and paint it and make it something else if you wanted to. And that sticker came off really, really easy. Look at the side decoration. I mean, there's just so many things you could do with this. If you had a place to have like a little drawer, you could, make a drawer pull and make this a drawer. I think this is awesome. I think I'm going to make some decor for my daughter for her new home. And also, because I think I really like this I love this. This is our happy place. Enjoy today. Choose happy. And let's stay home. And this color wood, I think, like the thing I got from Target, it's going to look really good with those pieces that my mom antiqued. And I really don't want to redo those pieces because my mom did them. And and I want to keep them. They're both really great pieces of furniture. Someday you'll get to see them. One is a secretary with a fold-down front shelf and I think it's three drawers. And they're the wavy drawers on the front. And the other one is a bookcase, a really solid bookcase. The wood on it's like this thick, and it has 3 shelves. And you've seen that in my Grateful, Thankful, Blessed, the wall that I did with the s'more bar. And then at Christmas time, it had the Christmas tree that I built out of the $2 tree Christmas trees. So anyway, I wanted to show you. I think I'm really excited about this because I'm going to be working on the stuff that I've already purchased, and if I run out, then I can go there and pick up some more. These right here, if you look at this sign, you get 2 of the wood pieces, okay, or whatever they are, and then you get the 3 what are they called? Galvanized type hearts. And then you also get this great string. So you're getting 5 pieces plus the bonus of this burlappy type string stuff. I think it is a really great deal. And again, I found these at Family Dollar today. I bought these ones I did buy at Dollar Tree, but I found them today also at Family Dollar. So don't forget about Family Dollar. And you all know that right across from our Family Dollar is our Dollar General, and I am a huge fan of Dollar General. They have great prices and fun stuff as well. But do check out your Family Dollar for this coaster set and other things. If you're decorating your home, they have a lot of nice pieces that you don't even need to do anything else with. They're just really, really nice. And there you go. So thank you for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I post a crafty video every day. It could be a shopping haul like today, but I also usually post a crafty video, probably junk journaling or paper crafting or home decor. I do have a new channel coming that the home decor will all move to the home channel or the new channel, and so I'm really excited about that. Find something to celebrate every day. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Check out these videos. Don't forget to go look at another video because YouTube likes that. I am grateful that you're here. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.